Hey guys, so welcome to the Aztec Lab. I hope you are doing great. Now in this video, I will just talk about how to protect the LED from the damage. Now when it just connect with the 9-volt battery. So this is our LED and this is our 9-volt battery. Now when I just connect with it direct without any other component, then you can see our LED just glow for little time. After that, our LED is just damaged, and you can see it not glow. Why our LED is damaged? Because LED is just operate on the volt 2 to 3 volt. It just depend on the color. I am using yellow color LED. It just operate on 2.5 volt. But the applying voltage is 9 volt. So due to this reason, our LED is just damaged. But my questions, how to protect it? We need one resistor. It just protect the LED from the damage. But I have the lot of the different type of the resistor. You can see. So we need one specific resistor. How can calculate? Let's see. You can see in the circuit diagram, one resistor is just connect with this LED in series. It means the electrical current across this circuit is same. So our LED is just operate on 20 milliampere. We just write also in this form 20 cross 10 raised to power minus 3 ampere. So according to Ohm's law, I is equal to V by R. V means voltage drop across this resistor. R is the resistance of this resistor and I is the electrical current across this resistor. In series, the electrical current remains same. So it means the electrical current across this resistor is 20 milliampere. So voltage drop across this resistor is just depend upon the voltage across this LED and applied volt. Here I am just applying 9 volt, but the voltage across LED is at 2.5. Now when I just subtract the value of 2.5 from the 9 volt, and answer come out to be a 6.5 volt. So this voltage is drop across this resistor. And electrical current across this resistor is 20 cross 10 raised to power minus 3 ampere. So we can just calculate the value of the resistance of this resistor according to Ohm's law V by I. Now when I just put the value of voltage and electrical current, after solving it, our result come out to be a 325 ohm. It means we need one specific resistor whose the value is just near about to 325 ohm. So this is our resistor whose value is just very near to the specific resistance. So let's see. You can see the value of this resistor is 386 ohm. It just near to the value of the specific resistance. So first connect all the component according to the circuit diagram on it breadboard. So this is our LED and this is the positive terminal of LED and this is the negative terminal of LED. So connect on it. Like in this way. And second, connect the resistor. One terminal of resistor is just connect to the positive end of the LED and other end to the positive terminal of the battery. So this is our battery cap and red wire of this battery cap is a positive terminal. It just connect to the one end of this resistor here. And second end of this battery cap is just connect to the LED. So our circuit is ready for working. And now when I just connect the battery with it, then you can see our LED is just glow continuously. Why our LED glow continuously? Because the voltage just appear across this LED is 2.5 and the rest of the voltage 6.5 is just drop across the resistor. So with the help of this resistor we just protect the LED from 9 volt battery.